Demystifying Spell Out, Decoding the Phrase. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into the world of English phrases to decode the meaning of spell out. By the end of this video, you'll be able to use this phrase like a pro. Let's get started. In its most basic sense, when we talk about spelling something out, we mean to write or state each letter of a word one by one. Example: if you were asked to spell out the word apple, you would say apple. Beyond its literal meaning, spell out can also be used figuratively. In this context, to spell something out means to explain something in a very clear, detailed, or simple way. Example: if someone didn't understand a rule, you might have to spell it out for them, meaning you'd explain it in simpler terms or more thoroughly. To help you grasp the meaning better, let's see it in action in a few sentences. 1. Literal use: can you spell out your last name for me? 2. Figurative use: I don't get the instructions. Can you spell them out for me? To enrich your vocabulary, here are some synonyms for spell out in its figurative sense. Clarify, elaborate, detail, explain. Example: I don't understand. Can you clarify that for me? And there you have it. The phrase spell out can mean literally stating each letter of a word or, figuratively, explaining something in clear terms. We hope this video has been enlightening. Remember, English is full of such interesting phrases, and the more you explore, the more proficient you become. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.